lightning of a million screams, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci.
Good morning. Oh, let me turn my volume down. Whoa. Surprised I didn't get some feedback there. All right. Good morning, Michael. Good morning. February 20th, 9:20. Hey, I got a new addition here. I put the bull zone and stuff like that. Instead of having it on this chart and, you know, clogging it all up, I put it over here off to the side. This will also show when TCS takes a trade. So I thought, hey, that's the best of both worlds. You can see we're dropping out of the bull zone right here. I just about went short, but decided to wait for market. But, and then I got, I don't know, this is called Mr. Fibs Pivots. I don't know where I got it from or what I did, but I probably ought to change the name on it. Let me make sure he's going to work. Yep. All right, there we go. So at least there we have things I always look at. Bull's last stand right down here at 24,667. Then target one's down here at 24,570. Also, I don't even have to talk about the numbers because they're already here, right? Which is cool. And there's target 2 down there. So starting below the bull zone, that's gonna be bearish. I'm just saying. Here's the other thing. Let's look at the daily. And we lost yesterday's low, which is something. So it was an inside bar yesterday. Let you know there was going to be a move today. So we're getting it. Hopefully we could just hang up here and hang on a little bit longer because I plan on going short and SPY. But yeah, anyway, let me go back to my main screen. Oops, let's look at ES real quick. Okay, ES, kind of same scenario, right? We haven't lost yesterday's low yet, I don't think. Hard to tell. Hold on. What's the top of my bull zone? Now mine, my other one, what do you want, bear zone or bull zone? because my bull zone is 24,710, 24,710, 24,752. Yep, that lines up. Pivot is 24,879, 24,879.75. Yeah. Yeah, all of mine work out. So the bear zone's 24,920 to 24,961. And that aligns up with my original, this guy. This guy's a little different. So this guy I made myself. I took this code somewhere from somebody. I don't know where, but it's okay. I didn't like this part of it. He did multiple boxes. I just made one box. I don't know. But I thought, I'll just throw it on there today. See what it's like. Right? But all my numbers line up with these numbers. So I'm pretty comfortable that everything is in line. But this will give me a nice big area. So I don't have to keep saying, oh, we're at the top of the bull zone. Oh, we're at the bottom of the bull zone. Da, da, da. Oh, we're breaking this or breaking that. So what time is it? All right, still got 5 minutes here. I want to look at one thing, 60-minute chart. Okay, I have everything set. Control copy. Uh-oh. Ooh, almost lost that guy. There we go. $13th. Let's go for the 27th. There we go. Okay. Just so I have some bigger ones that I can look at. All right. Control copy. Now we'll put it on here, paste, just so I have it. So these are our swing points. And as you can see, we blew right through this one. And we came down and respected this one, but we still swept it. Next one down is going to be this one. Control copy. And I'll put him in, paste. I didn't know you could do that. I didn't know you can grab stuff from one chart and put it on another chart. Pretty cool. So this guy's down here at 24,448. That's 300 points down. I don't know if we get there, but it's there. So I got to make this so it only fires one time, because every time it comes down and goes back up and it hits the previous low, like in this case, a low, or the high on a going long, it'll say 15 minutes short. So I don't want it to say that all the time. I just want it to say it once when it breaks it initially. Like here would have just hit one time. Anyway, we got 9:45. We got Flash Manufacturing PMI and Flash Services at 9:45, and Bostic starts to speak. Other than that, 10 o'clock we have new home sales. New home sales. Revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment. It's low. Home sales is medium. That's about it. Then you got member Logan speaks at 12:45. All right, that's what we got. You can see this guy. Prior day lows right here at 24,748. This actually does a lot of stuff. I actually kind of like this. How much time do I got? 2 minutes. But on this indicator, you got the closed. I don't know what replay is. high, low, CPR, high gap only today. So kind of cool stuff. It's like, why aren't I using this one? I don't know. All right, let me go to Bot Sweep. And he's playing the standard off this candle. I'm playing small, very, very small. And I need to put him up. There we go. I need to turn him off. Just be prepared to turn him off, I should say. All right, we're in that 2-minute zone. Well, we're in the last minute now. Be nice to come on down to 668, I guess. How much time's left? All right, getting pretty close. All right, good luck. Here we go. Oh. Huh. Not sure what happened there, but we'll take it. All right, say Levy. Let's go here and let's play. Let's play a little. Oh, so it did pass. Okay. I took one short smash and grab. He's not showing up here, but just an eval. I was playing around. Okay, let's go to Mr. Fibs. And just let things settle out a little bit. Let's see. Mr. Fibs. Okay. Good. See what happens here at the top of the bull zone. It's like we're going to run it, come up to the 1 minute weighted here. Just going to sit on my hands here for a few minutes. Okay, this is also the 1 minute weighted right here with this guy, pretty close. It's like we might be doing a gap fill or something. Let's see what SPY. SPY's not. Oh, that's not SPY. That's Palantir. Ooh. Palantir's not doing anything. He's hanging down. All right, SPY's moving up. All right. I'm going to, oh, better change that. Let's do 20 points at a time. All right, I'm going to wait for this candle to close for sure. You see we're getting a move up. That long was above that 15-minute. Would have been a nice play. Oops, I better go to a 15 here. Okay. So far what we've done is, you know, there's a play there, which is you swept the lows and you take that long, damn it. I did not. That is a play. I'm going to start showing this more and more because every time I see it, it works. So I got to take 819. Because that adheres to my game plan. I'm going to switch over to TCS real quick just to see what he's doing. All right. He may or may not take a trade. How much time? You got 2 minutes. So let me go back. Actually, I'm just going to hang out here and see what happens. I have not taken that trade at 820. Yeah, he's not going to take that trade. He would have already taken it, I think. But we'll see it up here. So we were down below this 20 EMA. It came down and closed above it. So my rule is I can take a long from here. Wasn't fast enough. Yep. Should have just hung out, damn it. All right, we're coming up to top control, which is bottom control. That 19 or 20 would have given you 30 if I'd have just stayed in it. Oh, there's TCS. Where you at? There you go. And I won't take that big of a stop. I can't do it. So that's a 40-point stop. See what happens. Thank you. Come on, TCS. Come on, baby. Nope. I told myself I would just let it go to target. I didn't do it. Because it got so close. So usually that means that a lot of times it'll fail from here. We got within 3 points. Come on, get up there. One time. Oh, there we go. All right, it didn't fail. TCS came through again. Son of a gun. What do you know? As Michael always says and tells me, why are you playing anything else? I don't know, Michael. I don't know. Only question now is, do I take another one from here? 851. Oh, shit. Sorry. Ah, boo, boo. Damn it. See, this is where I need you. Like right now, you should be on Discord, man. And that way we could talk, dude. Come on. There's nobody in the room. Nobody ever is. Come on, I'm going to go to Discord. I'm going to pipe you in. Go to Discord. I'm in there. Test 1, 2, 3. Share. No. Here we go. Input device. All right, that should work. Test 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, so it came back and took out there, so it's only up 29 points. You know what that means? Maybe another trade later down the road. So 29 points is 29 points. All right, let me go back to Mr. Phibbs trade. There we go. Okay, it could be a short off of the bottom control right here at 857. I don't know, especially if we close below VWAP there. That's what I'm watching for. All right, I'm waiting for you there in Discord, Michael. And I got my application audio all set up. Come on now. All right, so it's still long. Long. I'm waiting. Oh. Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, thanks for letting me know. Because I was on the daily, yep.
Your sound is low.
My sound is low? I don't, yep, it is kind of low. How about, is that better? No?
Yeah, a bit better, yeah.
All right. I just got to speak into the mic. Yeah, I don't know. Like, if you check yourself on YouTube to see if you can hear your voice, I don't know. I have no way of knowing.
Let me check.
Yeah.
Testing. No. No, cut off on this.
Okay, do you want to hear yourself on YouTube?
No, that's fine. Because
Okay.
then I think, because there's a delay between this and YouTube.
Yeah.
So what will happen is I'll talk and then I'll hear myself 5 seconds after.
Gotcha.
So this is fine.
All right. That way, at least I have someone to talk to. All right. Yeah, exactly. All right, this works good for me. All right, so we're heading through the CPR, obviously.
Yeah. I can't log into Thinkorswim, so I can't see my zones and stuff.
Do you want me to give you this one? You like this one?
Yeah, it's nice, yeah.
Yeah, I think I like it. We are blasting to the moon.
Yeah?
We are blasting up.
I was trying to short this move up fast. I got ran over fast. And then I turn around and see that last dip there, that wick into the 1 minute gap. 9:39.
Yeah.
Wick.
Yep.
I went longer.
So, nice.
Back all my
Nice.
lost money plus up.
There you go.
Man, it's just wow. It's just power.
Yeah, look at this shit.
Into the bear zone now, right?
Yeah. And we just blew right up through there. I'm looking for a little stuff.
Go short, but such a strong move.
Yeah. So I'm looking for a little stutter step. I think I can easily, let me see. Yeah, perfect. So here's one stutter step. You know, you can look at it like it's just steps, right?
Yeah.
Now I'm looking for another one. Maybe right there. Let's see. All right, so there's,
Then you move back below the bull zone and see how far it goes.
yep, there's midnight open at 9:03. I need to move back down to the 5 or 9 or 14.
You built, did you build that bull zone indicator?
This one?
Yeah, the one that you're showing me.
Yeah. I don't remember what I did. I don't remember where I got the code. So I can't say 100%, but there's things that I added that it didn't have.
Can you can see the code, right?
Yep.
So when you get a chance,
Yep.
later on, see if you can see how I know the bottom of the bear zone and the top of the bull zone, how they are formed,
Yeah.
how wide each zone is.
Yeah, you can do that.
Like what calculation is determined by that? Right? I can't seem to see it on.
So what do you want? Like the difference between the low and the high?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Like what's the calculation of it? You know what I mean?
Oh,
It's been bugging me. I've been trying to figure it out.
okay. Yeah, I actually have it in both of them. I have it in this one and I have it in mine.
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe here's that little stutter step.
Yep. All we did was you came back down to the CPR.
Yep. It's a little bit of a gamble here.
Hold on a second.
What's the ATR? 30? So I need a new session high here.
Would be 9:45. We got some news, right?
Yeah.
Good night.
Yep. What time is it? All right, so we already had it. All right, so I got a nice little long there, little stutter step move that I talked about and watched. And now it's just a matter of can I hold on or keep far enough away so I can grab some points here. I'd like to push all the way to the top of the bear zone there, which is, well, if I was over more, I could see it. 261.
Yep.
Come, get back up there. Probably going to come down and take me out. Let's go. Give me 260.
To the top of the bear zone, right?
Yep. There we go. Come on, get up there. Nope. Maybe I should have taken profit, huh? Yep. Oh, don't take me out. Come on, you fuck. Kind of should have did to me yesterday.
You almost, just gotta take your 10 and 15.
Well, we got a new 15 candle. That was the problem. Right? All right, we're coming down. We're in the 5-9 area. Problem is the 14 down there at 87. Wow. But if I'm going to take it, well, let's see. I'm going to wait here. Maybe a bear zone short here?
Yeah, right into the CPR and then a gap. So
Yeah. No man's land.
it's kind of a tough long, and I don't like the short here.
Oh, I'm going to take the long if we get back up.
Yeah, yeah.
Anything above that, you know, probably if we get back above 25, let's get rid of these guys. All right. Only good news is TCS would take a short if we got down there. I'm guessing. So let's do this. Do that. Do this. See if we can get a move back up to about right here, 35. Make that 12. 12 to 23 would be good. As long as we stay this as the low. And then we have a good chance of coming back down. Kind of a typical PCE / news event scenario where you run it up and then you bring her down. So right now, or run it down and bring her back up. So I need that load. Oh, he's going to drop it. Damn it. Not what I wanted. Might be just a little too low for me. What I was looking for now is a move up to 905, 917 at the most. And if we don't get that, then there's a good chance we bounce up and head up. They're trying to decide. Oh, this is bottom control here, right? Yep.
Yep.
We lose that and might just have to go short. And stay short. Okay, so going back, let's see, from the high to that new low. And I want 905, 917. I don't know if I get it, but 905, 917. Close enough. That's where I want to move up to. And if we make a new low, nothing I can do. Nope. Still got a chance. Okay, I'll go back to Mr. Fibs trade there. It's kind of where I want them. Again, that could just be a 38.2 retracement bounce. So now what do I need? Okay, we came up to the 38.2 on the move up. Come on, we can go up a little higher. So that's the 38.2. Here's the 50% on this move here. Based on this bullish 15-minute candle, you got to believe that we continue up, right? I mean, that's what I got to believe. Could they just bring this up like that and then back down? They could. But what I would rather game on and play for is just a 61.8 retracement, right?
61.8 probably would be down to like the 1 minute.
It's right here. You see my chart. It's around 785. Yep.
797 is the 1 minute. Yeah.
But I wanted this one right here. I needed this. I needed that 905 area to be hit. It's okay if we just bounce around here. That's fine. But I gotta get this in order for the play. My play would be this, would be to come down like this, 50%. So 50% retracement. Oops, that's actually, I'm in the wrong spot there. Time I get done, it'll make the move. But this is only the 38.2. It does me no good. I got to get the full move right here. Here, I'll just put it right there. 50%. I need that move. And then come down, bounce up, and then take it out to right here. Ideally. Hard for me to take a short. The only thing I could do is say, well, I'll take VWAP short.
Yeah.
Because it didn't follow my rules. I mean, it's not done yet. It's got to break this low. All right, we could still bounce up here and get the 50%. We got 2 minutes left on the 15.
10 o'clock news, so.
Yep. Good point. Another reason just to be hanging out here. Hey, let me ask you, on the chat, can you see stream elements?
Stream elements.
Yeah, so like you
Yes.
said, what's the top of your bear zone? And your next thing is bear. Do you see anything in between there?
Yes.
Stream elements, right?
Stream elements.
Yeah. I don't know what the fuck.
So learn how to.
Yeah.
something or something.
Yeah, I just deleted
And
it.
just removed it.
Yeah. I don't know how or why. Top chat. I need all chat. Right? Live chat. There we go. All right, there we go. Well, also yesterday, somebody subscribed. And for some reason, my system didn't acknowledge it. So I want to do this and say, here. There you go, Linda. Thank you for subscribing.
Just Supreme Court opinion on tariffs in Canada.
Oh, when?
10 o'clock it says, but it says Canada, so. Iran's foreign minister, Iran is preparing a deal proposal for the US. 10 o'clock's coming. It's tough here because now we're coming up to your 50%, but
Yeah.
it's right around news time, so.
Yep.
Oh,
Look at that.
look at that.
Ooh. Okay, so I'm going to take a short below. Well, not yet. I'm going to just hold on. Below the 5-minute 20. So right now I'm looking around 66.
What's that number?
866. That's where I'm thinking about going short. But now I got to go long. I mean, I got to watch. Okay, we just hit the 61.8, which I'm okay with. It's okay to go there. Right? But from the high to that little low there. Okay, now my short, I'm going to take 890 if we get there. Okay, right there. Now the long, my long, oof. Actually, if we get above 934, then you got to think long. Because so far it hasn't done anything to valid or invalidate. Oh, there you go. Now it's invalidated. Can't play that. Son of a bitch. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm glad I didn't get caught in that mess.
Me too. Oh, shit.
Going up to another hourly swing point that we've already. Oh no, we haven't run into yet. All right, here we go. So we just took it. I need that copy. Okay, see if we lose this. If we lose this, that right there, a gold line. Well, that was yesterday's high too. No, we're not going to lose it. Doesn't look like. Oh no, this is bullish. Wow, 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 wow. Question is, how do you get in now?
Go back to the last time.
Okay, I like that.
What news is that now? Trump's global tariffs struck down
Struck down? They took it away?
by the US Supreme Court.
Oh, that's too bad. No, I wouldn't think so. Well, they struck them down. That's not good. I wouldn't think.
That means they're going to pay back all that money?
Yeah.
Wait, because market
Yeah, I'm not doing anything here.
very careful. Came down and
So they have the expectations. Wow. Okay. Oh, sitting on my hands here. Dropping back into the bear zone. Thought about taking that short.
Rule 63 against Trump.
Hmm.
Could be bearish.
Yeah.
Market just hasn't fully digested it yet.
All right. Blew right through the bear zone. Just about took that short too. 961. 50 points, just like that. All right, we are going to close below. Oh, no, we're not. I'm on the 1 minute. Oops. Let's see how the 1 minute does on the 21 EMA. Looks like we're going to close below it.
I'm not sure what to do yet because
Well, my game plan is wait and see what we do here. If we come down and close below the 21 EMA, I could take that short.
that's around 875.
Yeah. Now, I'm not sure how I got negative on this.
So here's the scenario. We came up, we came down, we took out the high, went up. We take out call it 846. Come back up into a gap, maybe we get a trade.
Yeah. Look at that 15-minute wick.
Yeah, we just keep going down.
Yeah. All right, we're at VWAP. Let's see how we handle that. I might look for a... well, I'm going to stick to my rule. Can you... wait a minute. Do I want to repeat that, Michael? Do you want to hear that again? The rule of only taking the 821 or the 5 minute 20 EMA trade. Right? The EMA on the 2 minutes of 50, which is the 2 minute or which is the 5 minute 20 EMA. All right, let me get... what's that? ATR on the 2 minute is 60 points, and 52 on the 1 minute. Okay, so we bounced off VWAP. We're above the pivots, above the daily pivot. Got some support at the bottom. We got 6 minutes left on the 15-minute to fill out all that color. I might take the long back above that guy. So he's at the high there is 857. Oh, there he is. I missed him. Damn it, why not lock in? Should have let it take 20. Would I have gotten it? 62. Yep, 82.50. I would have got it. Fuckers. Go. Go. Should have took that 20. $61 ATR for the 2 minute. Okay, I'm going to get out. If this candle doesn't go move up, I got to get out because we're going to get a new candle and we'll probably fill that gap real quick. I'm guessing. There we go. All right, there we go. All right, good trade. All my positions got closed. All right. Could have taken a little more, but that's all right. All right, we got above 500. Ooh. All right, so we came down, got to VWAP, bounced. I think my next play now could only be either 15-minute long or short. And long out the top, unfortunately. So TCS took one trade. I got 18. It got, well, yeah, what did it get? But I obviously didn't hold for the fucking deal. Oops, let me get rid of some of this shit. He got 29. I got 18. That's just piss poor, Michael. Piss poor. Okay, so I'm going to watch. We got 3 minutes left on this 15. So I'm unfortunately regulated to watching. Can you see these like bear zones and stuff like that? Can you see these numbers or are they just too small?
Yep, yep, I can see 'em.
Okay. Because I was thinking I can make the text bigger. Here, let me try that. If I can. Let's see. Yeah, it's at 18 now. Let me go to 20 and see, or let's go to 22 and see what happens. Does it make it? Nope. It makes these numbers bigger. Didn't make my other numbers bigger. Yeah, same thing. All right. All right, just got to wait. We're kind of in no man's land. Yeah, I'm not fucking gonna trade the fucker. Oh. That's what I want to see. Wow. Here, I gotta save a YouTube video here real quick. Watch later. I need a planer, a wood planer. I guess I just gotta go buy one. Yeah. I made a planer box yesterday. 45 minutes. That's how long it took me. I got to get it down to 20 minutes. But first time making it, so it was a new design. All right. Come on, let's go. We're just kind of zipping around here and probably like well, the range is about from 860 to 25,000. 140 point range. 62 point ATR in the 2 minute and 51 points on the 1 minute. Ooh. Are you trading? What are you doing? Waiting?
No, just I'll trade this way.
Yeah, just got to be patient. Okay, we're dropping the bear zone again. We're just kind of wearing that area out. Where are those Oh, I took all those out. Damn it. Yep. Here. This actually should have told us something. Oops. This right here, Michael. That guy there. See how we went up? That was a hour swing. And this was an hour swing. Right there. And we swept it. Came up to this guy, swept it, and punched down. Now where are we going? I think we're heading back. I don't know if we can get past. I got to get past that 1 minute weighted there. I'm going to get taken out here. That wasn't a good trade. All right. I'm going to take that one. I'm going to go up a little bit higher. All right, I'm done. Fuck you. The short's there, I think. Yeah, 60 points. Oh, man. Wow. Look at that. 861 to 960. 100 point 2 minute candle. Son of a gun. Okay, I can take this long though. Right there. Wow. See if I can get it up. Come on. Move up, baby. Let's go. I'm going to try to take it up to 23 if I can, which is this guy right here, the high there. There we go. All right, I'll lock in a little bit. You know what that means. Might as well just take profit. Okay, if I can get up to 87, I'll try to lock it in. But we got to get to like 107 to lock 87. Yeah, look at that. Well, if you liked it there, why don't you like it again? $99. Wow, that was 30 points straight up. Come on, let's go. Give it to me. Push it up. Nope, gonna struggle. I'm gonna get out, I think. Should I get out? Come on, let's go. Do it again? I said, we're gonna do it again? Come on, get up there and take that high. Take that guy out. Oh, you fucker. Oh, come on. There we go. There we go. Come on. Oh, take me out. All right, that's good. Thank you. Thank you very much. I needed that little comeback. Could take the high off that candle right there at 19. Nope. Come on. Okay. I'm going to try one more time. See if we can get it back up there. Looking for 20. Come on. Real quick. Oh. Take out the high. Oh. Take out the high, which means 32. Oh, nope, not going to do it. I'm going to get out. All right, I better stop playing around. I love playing candles, man. It's yeah, but it's so much fun, especially days like this where you get 20, 30 points real quick. Let's see, 1 minute candles. We've been stuck in like a zone here since 10 o'clock. Basically from 860, I wouldn't even call it up that high. I would just call it 2530, 25,030. Huh? What you doing? Got my trading sidekick next to me. Yep, I can't. She'll stay there for hours, man, just sleeping. All right, kind of got nothing here. Oh, homeboy's up 10 contracts. Got long at 958. What do you know? Right above or right below the bear zone there. There you go. He's going to get the move. Okay, we're going to take over that hour swing point. We got another one. Control copy. Right up here about 126 that we may take out. 25,126. We got a nice move down to the 14 EMA there, huh? On the 1 minute. Okay. Just hanging out. Trying to be patient, Michael.
Yeah, trying. Me too. be okay, not taking a trade.
Yeah. Let's see. So if TCS does not take another trade, whoa, this is crazy. Look at where, and what I may do is say, that's okay, I don't need another trade from TCS. I may turn them off.
Ah, there's Trump. Supreme Court ruling is a disgrace.
Yeah. So here's the numbers for TCS for the month. It's up 780 points. 89% win rate. Yep. Up 400 points this week alone. Wow.
That is crazy.
Here's my here's the way I played it. I didn't play it quite so well. Quite so well.
Is that an inside bar in 15 minutes?
I don't know. I'm not playing. Looks like it.
Looks like it is.
Yeah.
I mean, it hasn't taken a trade yet.
No. The low is 858.25 and the low is 860. So yes, it would be an inside bar. Good call out. So that means the long would be at 25.038. Right there. I'll go ahead and mark these. So that would be the long, and the short would be 860.75 right there. Oops. So I don't know if you noticed, but I removed them from my Mr. Bots. Okay, so the question is, I'm going to go to TCS first. I'm actually going to turn him off because I actually don't want to play him. Because if he goes short, which he's getting ready to go short, I don't know if I like the short. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, I agree.
And I'm up already.
Yeah, then you stop.
Yeah. I mean, I'm up 186 points this week. Here's my here's the way I played it. So not too bad. The 2 days that we lost, I actually made money. But I might just watch it here. I don't know if it's gonna, it might not take the trade. So how much time I got left? I got a minute left. Let's see what happens here. Oh well, should we take it? Let's see. It's looking a little bearish. Here, let's see if I can play. I'll play one contract. Let's see if I can change it fast enough. I don't know if I can. I'll play one contract. Yeah?
Okay. One micro.
No. I'm playing. I'll reduce these guys. Well, no, I'm going to keep them. 4, 3, 2. I got a little system that I'm playing. I want to continue. Like I said, it may not take the trade. Just because you get a cross doesn't mean he's going to take it. He's got like 8 variables to take a trade. And if they don't align, then he doesn't take the trade. Like we got the cross. He should have taken the short here, but there's obviously other things that say, nope, not so fast, buddy. Not so fast. See what happens. Ooh. Ooh. Yep. He's not happy. He doesn't like it. And I think he's out of options because the cross already happened. I think he can take a short in this case. I think he's got 5 bars to make a decision. And if things don't align in those 5, then he punts. Now, he could set up for a long here, I think. I don't know. We end at 11. Here's my targets. Lockout is 50 points, so he's still short. We only taken 1 contract. Actually, I thought today was going to be a really bearish day. So I am really surprised that we did not get that bearish day. Okay, the long I can get behind if it took a long, but I don't think it will because it didn't take a short. He does the flip-flopping, so he only takes 1 long, and then he'll take a short, and then he could take a long. But he can't take a long, even if we go across and then come back up. I don't think he can do it. I don't know. For one thing, I made this indicator, over a year ago, I think. I mean, there's not much to do but wait anyway. I got nothing here. Yep. I mean, if you look at it like this, you could say, you could take probably a long here, because you could do something like that. Right? Okay, you could take 25,000 too. But my stop would have to be shit. 24,900.
No, I was going to say, can't trade that with a 10 stop.
I mean, I could. 90 isn't bad. I mean, right? If you take it, you say, well, if you would have taken 25 and come down to 90 right here, 10-point stop.
Every time I would have moved my stop to break even, I would have stopped out.
Yeah. Well, you can see though, my last couple trades, I kept stop away. I didn't go to break even. Okay, so I'll leave him on just because. Let's go back to my regular screen. It's at the 21 EMA, right? Yeah. So we got a 15-minute long above this guy, which is 37.75. Oh, that's also the this guy here, right? Nope. Right here. That's the 15-minute long. That's the 15-minute inside bar.
Yep.
We got 4 minutes left. It could be another inside bar. I will tell you this, that I would, let me see. I will definitely play this. So the stop here would be 30 points. So 25,007. Because that would be my max one. Otherwise, theoretically, your stop is way down here. Yeah, mere 140 points. That's what happens. You got a 58-point ATR on the 2-minute. 42 on the 1-minute still. Okay, I can actually go to here. I'll prepare this guy right here in case we get a nice jolt up. And I'll take that at 38.50, which that high is 37.75. There you go. Probably want to be just a hair above that, right? There you go. All right. Oh. $35 degrees here. That's cold for us.
35.
Yep.
Wow. You're warmer than me.
Yep. The low was 33 today. Ooh, that's getting up there, or getting down there. No. Oh, I didn't even watch it. Didn't watch it. I wasn't watching. Come on, take me out, baby. I'm gonna lock that in. Oh, damn you. Come on, you couldn't give us fucking 20 points there? Nope. Come on, get up there. Oh, you bastard. Nope, not going to do it. Going to get stopped out. Oh. What did I want? 38? Is that where I got in? Yeah. Oh, missed it. Missed it by that much. So 38, 58. There we go. There we go. I still got it. Yep. Good job. All right. Got something out of it anyway. Also 15-minute long just now too. Took out yesterday's high again. I love playing those. I love the 15-minute.
My bias was it wasn't going to work, but look at that. Huh?
Yeah. No, it worked out good. Yep. I actually thought this was going to be a very bearish day today. I guess it still could be, huh?
Oh, absolutely. The day is young.
Okay, I'm going to get rid of this guy. I smashed an eval today.
I did.
Yeah.
I just bought one so that I don't trade.
Yeah. I
See if I can pass it.
yeah. I took the short with 10 contracts as soon as we passed the 2-minute pre-market. I took that short for 16 points.
Didn't work out.
Yeah. All right, coming up on IB there. We just took it. Should I? Oh, I was going to say, should I take it? Damn it. Every time I don't take it, it fucking hammers. Oh, no, we didn't get it yet. Yeah, we did. Yeah. 83. Damn it. Coming up on target 1. Oh, come on. Don't do me dirty. Yep. Don't do me dirty. Come on. Fucker. Come on, IB. Give me 20. What would that be? Let's see. So if I got in at 83, 103. Yeah, that's saying a lot. Could take the long on this pullback here. Come down to the 9. Or that's the 5, sorry. Huh?
Don't know how to trade this stuff. Do I trade this? Do I trade this with sides? Do I trade this?
Come on. Just like that. Okay, I didn't know it was going to go through target 1 like that. I thought it was going to stop there. So I thought, I better be on this side of it. Interesting. Well, what do you do?
Try not to lose much.
Okay, we're taking out, see if we take out that other hour high there. Right? Sweep that high on the hour, that swing high. And that swing high was from February 18th.
Swing, swing, swing.
Okay. Wow. Up 246 points.
What's that, TCS?
No, today in the market, NQ.
Yeah. 250. Yeah.
Here's some stats. Oh, I don't think I'm supposed to show these. Dang it. Yeah, I'm not supposed to show stats, I don't think. You got to be careful. But here's what TCS has done month over month since beginning of the year. And for January and February, 660 points in January, so far 780 in February. Oops, I'm not supposed to show that. Damn it.
Where do you show that?
Huh?
Where are you showing that?
Where am I showing it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not supposed to show win percentages, I don't think. That's why I blocked them out.
Where you show, you're not showing it anywhere, are you?
Yeah, I showed it on my, I just showed it on the screen. Ninja doesn't like it. I think it's because it's a CTC thing or somebody, SEC. Past performance is not indicative of future gains. I can tell you that. There's promos. What about disclosures? No? There you go. Remember, past performance is not indicative of future gains and not financial advice. But I think I can show it as long as I show the trades, the in and the out. I think you're allowed to show it. You're allowed to say it, like the winning percentages and stuff like that. I don't know. I need to confirm that with them, but that's why it's important for me to show the trades. And I'm taking the trade, so I've got backup too that I've taken the trades. All right. Winding down on a Friday.
Yep. It is winding down. This is where trouble. This is where trouble.
90% off Apex till 4 more days.
Yeah.
Wonder why they keep extending that. Because they're making a shitload of money.
Yeah. So on Tuesday it'll end and they'll go back to 80%.
Yeah.
And they'll lower the activation fee. It's like the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll just trade this email if I trade. It books over 2.
Yep. Closing it out. Closing it out. All right, past 11 o'clock, the witching hour.
Yep. No trading. No PA trading after 11 o'clock. See if I can. Fuck.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen.
Ooh.
Price
Would have been
action
a good short off that swing
Fibonacci
high there, or that swing
make
high there off
money,
the
no
hour chart.
tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's
Save
tight.
everything.
No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci
Stop.
might.
Break even. If you would have held your stop right here instead of going to break even,
Price charts got us
got that
every single
53
day.
pointer.
Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might.
all right, that's good enough. I'm out. See you later. Huh? Yeah. Well, I'll be on in a couple minutes.
Of a million screens,
Yep, I'm just invited
futures
to
in the
chat.
markets unseen.
There's nobody else in
Price
here anyway
action
now,
whispers
so
Fibonacci screams,
say see you
gonna
later.
make money, no tilt to dreams.
Good stream.
Clicking
Ciao.
and
See you, Mike.
scrolling
Thanks.
every ticking line.